Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Nerds channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram mobile number change OTP not received. If you are facing issue with not receiving the OTP one-time password when trying to change your mobile number on Instagram, there are several troubleshooting steps. Check network connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. Instagram requires an active internet connection for OTP verification. If you haven't received the OTP immediately, wait for a few minutes. Sometimes there might be a delay in receiving SMS and resend OTP. Instagram typically provides an option to resend the OTP. Try tapping on the option to resend the code. Check mobile number. Double check that you entered the correct mobile number with the appropriate country code. An incorrect mobile number will result in not receiving OTP. After that, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Outdated versions may have bugs that can be fixed in newer releases. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.